Then it says using a proportion to solve direct variation. Suppose that y varies directly with x, and we're told that when y equals 9, x equals negative 15. What's y when x equals 21? What we're going to do is, there's lots of ways to do this. If this varies directly, then that means that this should look like this.
Correct.
Right?
Yep.
So we're doing something to this number to get, what is it that I don't know?
Constant.
I don't know k.
Yep.
I don't know k. So I could solve k by doing this. So I get y over x equals k.
Yep.
Well, let's assume that I have x sub 1. So let's think of this as x sub 1, y sub 1. Then this would be x sub 2, and this would be what?
Y sub 2.
Y sub 2. Now, would that change if it varied directly? In other words, if I said y sub 2 over x sub 2, what would be the constant of variation with this one if it varies directly? It'd be the exact same, right?
Interesting.
All right. Well, hey, if y sub 1 over x sub 1 is equal to k, but y sub 2 is equal to x sub 2, could I plug all that stuff in and find y sub 2?
Yes.
Yeah. And we know that this is what it means to to have direct variation, because in our first example, the way that we found the constant k is we said that these all had to equal. Alright, so let's bounce back. So let's just plug the numbers in. I've got 9 over negative 15 is equal to, I don't know what y sub 2 is yet, but I know that x sub 2 is 21.
Cross multiply.
Yeah, so when we solve a proportion, really the only thing we have to do is cross multiply. So I'm going to take this and multiply those like that. Set that equal. And then I'm going to multiply that by this. And I'm going to say, well, let's do it this way. Y sub 2 times negative 15. Divide both sides by negative 15. Oops, getting ahead of myself. Negative 15. What's 9 times 21? Is that 189?
Yes.
Probably.
Yeah, so that's 189. You sure?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. What's 189 divided by negative 15? I can't talk today.
A number.
12.
All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, what was it?
189.
189 divided by 15.
Negative
Negative
12.6.
I know. So it's negative 12.6. So this will be a negative 12.6. Okay?
Yep.
That's example number 3. Are there any questions?
Nope.
Okay.